All right, as soon as I say, oh, there's no questions for this, I got questions. All right, so I figured I should record these tonight so that you can have kind of a fresh start on tomorrow's stuff. 9 and 12F, that's all I got so far anyway. Number 9 says, order the absolute values of the numbers in this set from greatest to least. Describe the strategy you used. Greatest to least. All right, so it says order the absolute values of these numbers. So I'm going to rewrite these as absolute values. Okay, so we have 8.5, negative 8 1/3, negative 10.2. I'm going to run out of room. Negative 0.2, 0.1, and 9.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got them all. All right. So now my strategy, I'll tell you right now, is just to ignore the negative signs. Ignore the negative signs. So the biggest number, 10.2. What's next? Do we have a 9? Yeah, we got a 9. That's going to be my second. Third, 8s. There's 2 8s. Which one's bigger, 8.5 or 8.3 repeating? This one is. So this will be fourth. We've got 2 numbers left, 0.2 and 0.1. 0.2 is bigger than 0.1. Twice as big, in fact. So now I'm just going to rewrite them in the order that I've just identified them. So my answer is negative 10.2, 9.8, 8.5, negative 8 1/3, negative 0.2, and 0.1. Okay, so that's ordering them. Just check my work just in case I made a mistake. 10.2, 9.8, 8.5, 8 1/3, 0.2. Yep, there you go. Hopefully that makes sense. Looks kind of cool looking at my screen. Because math is fun, right? All right, 12F. I'm going to use a new piece just in case. 12F, evaluate. So you got negative 3 times the absolute value of 4 minus 1 plus 2 times the absolute value of 1 minus 4. All right, now before I had said to you, these are kind of like brackets. So it may help almost if you, I'm just wondering if I'm giving you bad advice to draw brackets here just so you kind of know how to treat it. I'm going to simplify these first. So this equals negative 3 times, 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 2, times the absolute 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Making sure those are really big, hey? Now, you have to do what's in those first. Like I said, like if you wanted to kind of lightly, just to kind of, you know, remind yourself. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. So 2 times positive 3 is 6, which equals negative 3. 12F. A half? Oh, that's 13. 12. Negative 3. So if you want, you might want to do one more step where it's like negative 3 times 3 plus 2 times negative 3, if that helps. Okay, so hopefully that helped. Thanks for the questions. I was wondering, is anybody out there?